Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Christmas cactus bloom. To achieve vibrant flowers, start by providing bright, indirect light for most of the year. Crucially, ensure your plant receives 12 to 14 hours of uninterrupted darkness daily for 6 to 8 weeks before you want it to bloom. This dark period is essential for bud formation. Avoid any direct, intense sunlight, as it can easily scorch the delicate leaves of your cactus, hindering its ability to flower beautifully. Temperature plays a vital role in encouraging blooms. Aim for cooler temperatures, ideally between 50 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 18 degrees Celsius during the bud formation period. When it comes to watering, thoroughly water your plant when the top 1/3 to 1/2 of the soil feels dry to the touch. Remember to reduce watering slightly during the dormancy period before blooming, but never let the soil completely dry out, as this can stress the plant. High humidity is another key factor for a thriving Christmas cactus, especially during the blooming season. Try to maintain humidity levels around 50 to 60%. Regarding feeding, fertilize your plant with a balanced houseplant fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks throughout its active growing season. However, it's important to stop fertilizing about 1 month before you expect the plant to bloom. This allows the plant to focus its energy on developing those beautiful flower buds. Strategic pruning can significantly boost your plant's blooming potential. Prune your Christmas cactus in late spring or early summer to encourage more branching, which leads to more flowers. As for repotting, only do so when your plant is truly root-bound, typically every 2 to 3 years, using a well-draining potting mix. It's crucial to avoid repotting close to the blooming season, as this can cause stress and prevent your cactus from producing its festive blossoms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.